Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Volvo Christian. You are now joining me in the S60 Polestar engineered press car that I've been lending from Volvo Car Norway for the last 2 weeks. I'm now headed into Volvo Car at Fornebu to deliver it back. But the main attraction are that I'm gonna pick up my brand new Volvo in just a couple of minutes. I'm super excited for that one. It's gonna be a brand new experience from my ownership perspective. It's gonna be the 9th Volvo in line, if I'm not totally mistaken. My first Volvo was back in 2013 when we purchased the V40 Flamenco Red Momentum D2. Just waiting for the bus here. So that was the first Volvo. And then we had the V60 D4 Ocean Race. Loved that car. It was the first Volvo with automatic transmission for me. This is the V40 was manual. And then after a while with the V60 I jumped into the first SPA car with my D5 bursting blue XC90 R design, loaded out with goodies before we changed that out the year after with the Fusion Red XC60 inscription with the blonde Nappa leather interior. Really gorgeous spec on that car. So then we are up to 4, and then after that one I had the V60. Let's see if I can get in here. I had the V60 D6. Okay, just gonna stop there. The V60 D6. Really awesome plug-in hybrid diesel that I grew fond of. So that was the 5th, and then the 6th car was actually the S90 Recharge T8 R design, also heavily loaded. Originally Onyx Black, but I got it wrapped in Vampire Red, and we had that for almost 2 years. Such an awesome car. So then we are up to 6, and then I had a short time with a bursting blue XC40. Only like 2 months. I wasn't ready for the full electric drive. So after that I changed over to the V60 denim blue inscription. That was T6, and I had that for quite, was it 8 or 9 months? So that was the 8th Volvo. And now right in here at Volvo Car Fornebu are my 9th Volvo in line. So I'm just gonna park up this press car, and then we're gonna jump in to pick up my all new, or not new, it's a second-hand Volvo. It's actually a previous press car from Volvo Car Norway. I'm super stoked. So I'm just gonna clear out this car, and then you join me on the outside. So I've just cleared out this S60. I got my Basinga plates with me to put on the new car. But just look at this Polestar engineered XC60. Looks so wicked with these probably 21-inch or 22-inch alloys. Not sure if it's winter setup or not, but with the wheel arch extensions, looks pretty wicked. But now I'm gonna walk towards Volvo Car Fornebu and collect my brand new, I'm saying new, but it's not new, it's a second-hand car, but it's new for me. I actually closed the deal 2 days ago on Valentine's Day. So it's a Valentine's Day car. I've been looking at it for quite some time now. Now it's Thursday. They are open to 7 o'clock today. And it's almost time to close the shop. Welcome back, and here we have it. My new car. Oh, just look at this. This is almost a pinch me in the arm moment. This looks so damn good. Oh, I can't believe that this is actually mine now. I'm super stoked for this car. Looks so damn good. But what do we have here? So this is a Model 22 S60 T8, and as you see, is in the Polestar engineered trim. I got the optional styling kit that I got added this week. And this is actually a previous press car to Volvo Car Norway. And I've actually taken this exact car out for a spin in December 2021. And I covered about 3,000 kilometers with this exact press car. And now it has driven about 10,000 kilometers, but 3 of them are my own. This came for sale at Volvo Car Fornebu in late December, and I've been rolling at it ever since. And sadly it didn't work out with the BST, and when that went to shit, then this was on top of my list. So I instantly started the conversation with Patrick to get this done. So I'm super excited that it's now mine. So a huge thanks to Volvo Car Fornebu and Patrick for top-notch service. But back to this car. This is going to be a new experience for me in 2 different ways. First off, it's the first S60 that I ever owned, and it's also the first Polestar engineered car I've ever owned. So this is going to be super exciting, and this is for me, almost the sweet spot in the S60 lineup. The only thing that I don't have, this is the early model year 22, so I don't have the extended range with the updated battery and performance. But I still have the sensors infotainment, and that was important for me. Because when you got the sensors infotainment, you got the awesome sensors app. And that is super nice. But another thing that was very important for me was to get the Bowers & Wilkins stereo. So Bowers & Wilkins, I got the leather up dashboard, the sunroof. Yeah, this is almost the sweet spot. The current press car S60 that I've just driven for 2 weeks, as you see here, and as I started within this video, that is the real sweet spot, because there you get the updated battery and performance, still with the sensors infotainment, but that is at a different price point than this one. This has driven 10,000 kilometers, and I got this at a much more sweet price than what the current press car will be at. So I'm super stoked. Just look at this, and it's mine. Oh, this is gonna be super fun, and I'm gonna promise you a lot more content with this car. I've actually already talked with someone about wrapping it. I think it looks pretty wicked in bright silver, but we got some plans going on, so stay tuned for maybe something more unique. But oh, just look at this. Oh, that extra styling kit adds so much extra sportiness and character to this car. Slightly more aggressive. Just look at this. Yes, finally I'm back with Volvo and my first S60. So this is gonna be wicked. I think I'm gonna wrap it up. I have to go get home. Early day tomorrow at work. But thank you for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. And give me a thumbs up if you did. And as always, I appreciate every like, every comment, and for new viewers, if you will consider subscribing to my channel. That's much appreciated. So thanks for this time. I see you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.